Okay guys, I got a 2024, 2025 Toyota Prius. I'm going to show you how to remove this airbag. First thing we're going to do is remove these covers on the side. So there's this one right here on that side, and then there's one on the other side as well. So when we're looking in here, so let's look at this. You see this little metal piece right here? You're going to push that out. So you're going to push it out like that. Go to the other side. You can see it right there. Push it out as well. Now there's one more we need to push out. So this one right here, I'm going to just use a little pick. And that pops out all the way. So now we can look at this, remove it, and you can kind of see where I'm popping them out. So this one right here is popping on that side. This one's popping on this side. And then the bottom one right here, see it on the bottom by the H, that's popping that out. And then from there you just remove these two cables. You push up on that orange piece, and then this is a piece that you remove as well, and that airbag will come out. Put the airbag back in, you reconnect, turn the vehicle off, and then just push it in. And that's how you do it. Thanks for watching.